Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your website's search engine performance and increase organic traffic, then today's video is for you. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of conducting an SEO audit, a crucial step in understanding how well your site is optimized and identifying areas where you can improve. Whether you're new to SEO or a seasoned pro, conducting an SEO audit is a must for every website owner or digital marketer. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. First things first, what is an SEO audit? An SEO audit is the process of evaluating a website to identify factors that affect its visibility on search engines like Google. The goal is to discover areas of improvement, fix issues, and optimize your site so it can rank higher and attract more visitors. Think of it as a health checkup for your website. Just like a doctor checks your body for any underlying issues, an SEO audit uncovers technical, on-page, and off-page problems that could be hindering your site's performance. The first thing we'll focus on is technical SEO. This includes the behind-the-scenes factors that affect how search engines crawl and index your website. Here's what you need to check. Site crawlability. Ensure your website can be crawled by search engines. Use Google's Search Console to check if there are any crawl errors. XML sitemap. Make sure your sitemap is up to date and submitted to search engines. Robots.txt file. This file tells search engines which pages to crawl. Check to ensure it's not blocking important pages. Mobile friendliness. Google prioritizes mobile-first indexing, so ensure your site is mobile optimized. Use Google's mobile-friendly test tool. Site speed. Slow-loading websites hurt user experience and rankings. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to test and improve your site speed. Next up, let's focus on your on-page SEO. These are elements on your website that you can control and optimize to help you rank higher. Here's what to check. Title tags. Are your title tags unique, relevant, and include target keywords? Make sure each page has a descriptive title tag. Meta descriptions. Write compelling meta descriptions that encourage users to click. Include keywords but keep it concise. Headings. Use H1, H2, H3 tags correctly. Your main keyword should be in the H1 and subheadings should support the content. Content optimization. Ensure your content is valuable, keyword optimized, and answers the user's search intent. Don't overstuff keywords. Focus on readability and user experience. Internal linking. Use internal links to help search engines understand your site structure and guide users to related content. Next, let's look at your backlink profile. Backlinks, links from other websites to yours, are a huge ranking factor in Google's algorithm. Analyze your backlinks. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to review your backlinks. Are they from reputable sources? If you have spammy or low-quality links, consider disavowing them. Competitor backlinks. Check where your competitors are getting their backlinks from. This can give you ideas for potential link-building opportunities. Now let's talk about your content. Google loves fresh, high-quality content that answers the user's search query. Keyword research. Are you targeting the right keywords? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber Suggest to find relevant keywords with good search volume and low competition. Content gaps. Check if you have any content gaps. Topics your competitors are covering that you're missing. Fill in these gaps to expand your content offering. Content freshness. Update older content to keep it relevant and add new insights. Fresh content ranks better. Finally, let's talk about user experience, UX, and site performance. Bounce rate. Check your Google Analytics for a high bounce rate on certain pages. This may indicate that users aren't finding what they need, or the page isn't loading fast enough. Click-through rate, CTR. If your CTR is low, it could mean your meta descriptions and titles need improvement. Make them more engaging. Mobile optimization. With mobile-first indexing, it's critical that your site looks and functions well on mobile devices. And that's it. Those are the key steps to conducting an SEO audit for your website. It may seem like a lot, but don't worry, you can tackle it one step at a time. Remember, an SEO audit isn't a one-time task. You should audit your website regularly to stay ahead of your competition and adapt to changes in Google's algorithm. Once you've completed the audit, you'll have a clear understanding of where your website needs improvement and what steps to take next. Start fixing the issues you've uncovered and track your progress using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console.